Monday, 29th of July 2024. Made a kind of tea from used coffee grounds and put that on the garden. Supposed to be good for plants. Did some gardening that I've been putting off for ages. Thinned out the spinach and kale. The soil in my pots feels very good, earthy and rich. Spring isn't too far away now. Need to get planning for a bumper harvest. Went to the grocer and supermarket. I cooked up a huge soup, 7 litres, completely vegan, low in sodium, high in protein. I wrote up the recipe after I'd cooked it and asked AI for nutritional information. A 2 cup serving of this soup contains more protein than a beef steak. Super nutritious. Mood 7, energy 7, moods content, silly, grateful, cooking soup.